Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 40th session of this journey and we have been doing quite a bit of formatting over the past few videos here, right? We are going to take a look at one more formatting operation built inside of Microsoft Excel. But there's going to be a twist to this one. We are going to get into conditional formatting. Now, there's all sort of stuff that you can do with conditional formatting. In a little nutshell, conditional formatting applies formatting based on a condition. So let me give you an example. We have got your nice little monthly budget here. We have got some dollar amounts. We have got some percentage, right? That we can maybe do something with. I could say something like looking at the dollar amount, just not the totals, but the monthly budgets here. What is that, like C5 to H9? Those cells right there. So I want to say I want something to turn red if it's above $500, something like that, and I actually selected the total, right? I have selected the total, so I just want the monthly amount, so the bill amounts, right? So I'll reselect it and I will select C5 down to G9. So if it's above, let's make it a little bit more. Let's actually make it a little bit less. So let's say if it is more than $250, then make it turn red or something like that. You ever have to do that? You have to go through a list of search and highlight specific records, right? Oh, this record meets the criteria. That maybe there's a date that you're looking at. If the date exceeds today's date, if the date was before today's date, something like that. Or if it fell in the month of August, well, August is a good month. So if it fall in the month of August, then I want to format it, something like that. A condition that dictates if the formatting should be applied. Take a look. This is a conditional formatting inside of Excel. So the first step, you have got to decide, well, which cell do you want to format? Where's the condition going to be found? In our case, I'm going to select C5 to G9. Right? Those are the cells and I want to format if they are greater than $250, something like that. So with this selected, I'll go back to my home tab, and underneath my style section, I got my conditional formatting there. So I'm going to go to the conditional formatting. You have got all sort of stuffs here. In the newer release, ever since the 2007 release of Excel, Microsoft has added lots of features in here, lots of features, a lot of cool stuff. And we are going to take a look, at least for the for all of them, but at least for the beginning, we are going to take a look at a very common one, a very simple one. But you have got things like data bars, color scales, icon sets. I love icon sets. I highly recommend experimenting with this stuff right here. But for now, I'm going to go up to the highlight cell rules, and I'm going to use the greater than operation. So this opens up my greater than, right? And they are already defaulted to 550. You can see that they are highlighting anything that's greater than $550, but I said 250, right? So I'm going to put 250 here. And I have got now 2 rows highlighted. So they got some default formatting if you see here. Light red fill with dark red text, yellow fill with dark yellow text, green fill with dark green text, light red fill, red text, red border, right? So it's great, got some defaults. You can also go down to the custom format, and from here, let's say I just want the text to turn, or not the text but the cell to turn red. So I'll go to fill and I'll select red. And that's it, and that's all I care about. So just fill. I click OK, and again I said OK, and there it is. I'm here again and I have now applied my conditional formatting. Now you can do this manually, but once they got to go search your list, and if you got hundreds or thousands of records, that's going to take you some time. Highlight cells, home tab, conditional formatting, highlight tools, and you got your various operations right there. Now again, we only use one of them, but you got several operations you can use there. Now it's one more feature is there for this, that it is dynamic in nature. So if something changes, let's say this goes from the month of January We had a huge party, had to get a bunch of food. Now, sorry, actually, we want to go the other way around for January. Let's say I just spent all my money in the holiday, so now I got to lower my bill for the food for January. So let's say it goes down to 200 and update, and the formatting applies appropriately. Right, conditional formatting. Try it out. And thanks for watching this tutorial. And as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content updates on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.